Ensure the liner is dry and free of mud or other contaminants. Overlap the adjacent Firestone epdm geomembrane panels by a minimum of 4 inches. Allow the panels to relax for 15 minutes. Using a scrubber pad and holder, apply the Quick Prime Plus primer to the top surface of the adjacent panels, covering a minimum of 4 inches on both sides of the overlap edge. Test the primer flash-off by touching the primed area with your finger and pushing forward at an angle. The primer should not string as your finger is moved up and away. Install the quick seam cover strip by using both thumbs in the core and rolling the tape away from your body. As you move forward, peel away the release paper and place it under your knee. Using a hand or stand-up roller, roll the seam longitudinally and across the seam in overlapping sections to mate the seam together. Using a compressed air source, test all bonded seams using a minimum 50 psi air supply, directed through a 3/16" nozzle held within 2 inches of the seam edge. Note: do not exceed 75 psi, or it may cause damage to the seam. When using Firestone products, follow all appropriate safety guidelines.